Hello everyone, welcome back to English Odyssey with me. Right now, I am in front of you to practice speaking. I am Rakib Hussain. I am a student of Bangla College, and right now I came on the rooftop to show you uh, what kind of things, what kind of trees have in our rooftop. Okay, so let's see. Okay, and few minutes ago, before coming to the rooftop, I went to the market to buy some groceries because right now we was need some groceries. That's why I went to the market to buy like rice and potato and garlic, this type of things we was need. So that's why I going to the market. Okay, and after coming, then I started these videos. Okay, to practice speaking. Right now I will show you some trees. It is green chili trees. Okay, and my father planted this, and every day we we are to water in the roots of the trees, because without nurturing, without take care of these trees, it don't will not be grow up, and it will not give us some fruit. Okay, every day my family try to water into the root of these trees. So it's very important what kind of trees you will be planted. That time you must need to take care them, because any kind of things without take caring it don't be good. Okay, if you want to be good result, you have to good nurturing. Okay, so it's very important if any kind of things. And also you can see that behind me, on beside my house, there are lots of old house that people live in the Dhaka for the long time. They didn't come in the village, but their house remaining. Okay, but they need to come. Right now I am on the rooftop to practice speaking. Okay, there are my neighbors. Without them, there are some neighbors that are also very calm and very helpful for to each other, because whenever they can see that some villagers, some neighbor fall in the danger, fall in any kind of problem, they come so early to help them. So it's very good to living there here. I love very much to my neighbors for this kind of things. You can see that every day I make videos, because it will make me very happiness, and my confidence level will be increased day by day. So that's why I make videos every day. Okay, I don't think about making videos for my improving confidence to talking in English. So you can try your best to speak English, and if you have to go outside to reduce your shyness. A few minutes ago also I went to outside to practice speaking with my friends. We are explaining, we we are explaining some natural place. Firstly he explained the scenario, then I explained. So this type of things is very need, I think, if you want to learn English. Okay, and day by day I am improving because of practicing every day. Okay, so you can start practicing with making videos. Okay, and so that's all for me today. Again I came back in front of you with another new videos. Okay, and if you like my videos, you can subscribe and comment. Okay.